everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about daily routines.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, how are you today?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am great today.
That is nice to hear.
Today we are talking about daily routines.
Yes, daily routines are very important.
What time do you wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, but I like mornings.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Coffee helps me wake up.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I like cereal and milk.
That is simple and healthy.
Thank you. Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of exercise?
I go for a short walk.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, fresh air feels good.
I agree. What do you do after breakfast?
I take a shower and get dressed.
Then what?
Then I go to work.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Sometimes it is very crowded.
Oh, really?
Yes, many people travel in the morning.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do.
That is wonderful.
What about you?
I work from home.
Wow, that sounds comfortable.
Yes, but sometimes I feel bored.
I understand.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails and talk to customers.
That sounds busy.
Yes, it is.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take a short break in the afternoon.
What do you do during your break?
I drink tea and relax.
Tea is very popular.
Yes, I love tea.
What is your favorite tea?
Green tea.
Nice choice.
Thank you.
What time do you eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
What do you eat?
Rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
I try to eat healthy food.
That is important.
Yes, healthy food gives us energy.
I agree. What do you do after work?
I usually relax at home.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes.
What do you watch?
I watch movies and English videos.
English videos are very helpful.
Yes, they improve listening skills.
I also listen to podcasts.
Really?
Yes. Podcasts are easy to follow.
That is true.
They help me learn new words. Do you study English every day?
Yes, I study a little every evening.
Great job.
Thank you.
What do you study?
Vocabulary and speaking practice.
That is very useful. What about you?
I practice pronunciation.
Pronunciation is important.
Yes, clear speaking helps communication.
I agree. Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, usually.
What do you cook?
Pasta, soup, or rice dishes.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Thank you. Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, we eat together every night.
That sounds lovely.
We talk about our day.
Family time is important.
Yes, it is. What do you do before sleeping?
I read a book or listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me sleep well.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m.
That is a good time.
Sleep is important for health.
Absolutely. What about our listeners?
Yes, what is your daily routine?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Maybe some people wake up very early.
Or maybe some people sleep late.
Everyone has a different routine.
That is true.
Let's learn some English together.
Great idea.
The phrase wake up is very common.
Yes, wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example sentence, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Very good. Another useful phrase is go to bed.
Yes, it means to go and sleep. Example sentence, I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Excellent. Let's talk about grammar now. Okay.
We use the simple present tense for daily routines.
Right.
Example, I eat breakfast every morning.
Another example, she studies English at night.
Very nice.
Notice the word goes.
Yes, we add s or es for he, she, and it.
That is an important grammar rule.
Let's give more examples.
Sure.
He drinks coffee every morning.
She studies English at night. Great examples.
Thank you. Let's talk about vocabulary.
Okay.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Lunch is the meal in the afternoon.
Dinner is the meal in the evening.
Very simple and useful words.
Yes, beginners use these words every day.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Good idea.
Repeat after us. Routine.
Routine.
Very good. Another word is vegetables.
It is a little long.
Yes, say it slowly. Veg-I-ta-bles.
Great job, everyone.
Keep practicing every day.
Practice makes progress.
That is true. Sophia, do you use your phone a lot every day?
Yes, probably too much.
Really?
I use my phone for work and entertainment.
What apps do you use?
I use social media and language learning apps.
Language apps are very helpful.
Yes, they are fun and easy.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, especially in the evening.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and relaxing music.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I enjoy pop music.
Nice.
Do you clean your room every day?
Not every day,
Me too.
but I try to keep it tidy.
A clean room feels comfortable.
I agree.
Do you enjoy weekends more than weekdays?
Yes, because I can relax.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I meet friends and watch movies.
That sounds fun. What about you?
I sleep longer on weekends.
Many people do that,
Yes, sleeping is wonderful.
especially after a busy week.
Exactly.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it helps our channel grow.
Thank you for supporting us.
We are happy you are learning English with us.
Let's continue. Do you make a to-do list every day?
Sometimes I do.
Is it helpful?
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
I sometimes forget important things.
Me too.
A list can help us remember.
Exactly.
What is your favorite part of the day?
Evening time.
Why?
Because I can relax and enjoy free time.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like mornings.
Really?
Yes, mornings feel fresh and quiet.
I understand.
Do you read books often?
Yes, before sleeping.
What kind of books?
Simple stories and self-help books.
Interesting. Reading improves vocabulary.
That is true.
English learners should read every day.
Even 10 minutes is helpful.
Small practice is better than no practice.
That is very true.
Let's ask our listeners one more question.
Okay,
What is your favorite part of your daily routine?
please tell us in the comments.
Maybe some people enjoy breakfast
Or exercise.
or bedtime. Everyone is different.
And that is wonderful.
Today, we learned many useful words.
Yes, we talked about meals, sleep, work, and study.
We also practiced grammar and pronunciation.
I hope our listeners learned something new today.
I think they did.
English learning can be simple and enjoyable.
Absolutely. Keep practicing every day.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help us improve.
That is correct.
Today was a lot of fun. I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you have a great day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.